And we have seen plenty of sunshine over the past several days, and that definitely gives us a spring in our step, even though it is a little bit colder outside today compared to what it was like yesterday. Beautiful evening here on our Bryant Heating and Cooling Tower camera. A few scattered clouds out there, but overall we'll see a lot of those clouds dissipate as we go into the overnight hours. And speaking of sunshine, yes, it is March, and if you've spent any time outside the last week or so for any real length of time, actually over about 30 minutes or so, you'll actually start to see a sunburn. So the UV index for tomorrow is a 4. So if you're going to be outside taking advantage of some of the outdoor activities, for example, you definitely probably still need to wear sunscreen, even though it's still early in the season. As you can see here, we are just over 9 days away from daylight saving time. Spring officially arrives in 16 more days. We have Easter coming up here in 31 days, and those of you looking forward to summer here, 108 days still to go for that. Tomorrow, though, we're expecting wall-to-wall sunshine across the Miami Valley. Temperatures will still be on the cool side, but seasonable for this time of the year, as highs reach to near 45 degrees. For this upcoming weekend, we are continuing with that sunshine both Saturday and Sunday, and pretty much both of those days look like they will be a carbon copy of each other, with plenty of sunshine, a few scattered clouds here and there. So if you want to take advantage of some of that last minute skiing here, this may be one of the last weekends that you could go ahead and do that. Mad River Mountain has 18 trails, Perfect North 22 trails, and Snow Trails has 18 trails that are currently open. Satellite and radar together is showing that everything is quiet across much of the Midwest, with the exception up in northeastern Ohio, where they're picking up some lake effect snow showers. Otherwise, the rest of us are high and dry. A few scattered clouds moving into the northern part of the Miami Valley, but those will continue to dissipate as we go into the overnight hours. Temperatures, though, noticeably colder compared to yesterday, but still decent for this time of the year. 37 right now in Greenville, as well as in Troy, 32 in Wapakoneta, and 40 degrees in Xenia. Currently in Dayton at 39 degrees, north winds at 21 miles an hour, pressures at 30.24 inches, and those winds have been gusting since about noon today. They picked up, and we can see here that the winds gusting to almost 25 miles an hour. So that is definitely giving us a wind chill here this afternoon. Feels like 29 here in Dayton and 24 in Lima. Not quite so bad down in the Cincinnati area. It's not really affecting them as well. Future tracks showing that we'll continue with those clouds dissipating throughout the evening hours. Overnight, everything should be clear and relatively calm overall. We'll see winds tonight about 5 to 10 miles an hour out of the northwest. Tomorrow, most of the day, we will see wall-to-wall sunshine once again. A few clouds are possible tomorrow afternoon, but overall, once again, a pretty decent day shaping up for us Friday, Saturday, and into the weekend. So tonight, temperatures are going to cool off once again with those mainly clear skies down into the lower 20s. It'll be clear, seasonable. This is pretty typical for this time of the year. Then tomorrow we're looking at bright skies, still on the cool side as temperatures rise to near 45 degrees. Winds tomorrow out of the north, 5 to 15, so not quite as gusty as what we're seeing today. In your extended Storm Team 2 forecast here, we have a real nice stretch of dry weather over the next several days, but the warmer air finally starts to come back in by next week, as we'll see temperatures rising into the mid-50s by Monday, and then we're expecting temperatures to rise into the 60s